Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast Shadowing Practice. I'm Sarah, and today we have something warm, funny, and full of love.
That's right. I'm Mark. Today's topic is Tell me about your family and love. So, if you enjoy listening to real conversations in simple English, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and relax.
And don't forget to follow our channel, like, and share this podcast so you can keep learning English with us every week.
All right, let's start our talk. Sarah, are you ready?
Always. Let's go.
So, Sarah, tell me about your family. How many people are there?
Well, there are 4 people in my family. My dad, my mom, my younger brother, and me. My dad loves cooking, and my mom loves cleaning.
Wait, you said your dad loves cooking? That's great. My dad only loves eating.
Oh, really? That's my brother. He eats everything in the fridge.
Typical younger brothers. So, do you spend much time together?
Yes, we usually have dinner together every evening. Sometimes we play cards or watch funny movies. How about your family, Mark?
My family is small, just my mom and me. My parents divorced when I was 10, but we're still very close. My mom is my best friend, actually.
Aw, that's so sweet. What do you two usually do together?
We like going to the park on Sundays. She loves flowers, and I love ice cream.
Sounds like a perfect combination. Flowers and ice cream.
Yes, and sometimes, when she's tired, I cook for her.
Really? What do you cook?
Instant noodles.
Oh, come on, Mark. That's not real cooking.
Hey, I add an egg. That makes it special noodles.
Okay, I'll give you that.
You know, Sarah, when I was a kid, I didn't really understand what love meant. I thought love was just about saying, I love you.
Yeah, me too. But as we grow up, we realize it's more about actions, right?
Exactly. My mom never said I love you very often, but every morning she woke me up with breakfast and told me, don't be late for school. Now I know that's her way of saying I love you.
Aw, that's really touching. My mom is the same. She always cuts fruit for me when I study late at night. And when I say, Mom, I'm not hungry, she says, just eat it. It's good for your brain.
Classic mom love. Caring and a little bit bossy.
Exactly. I think every mom in the world says that line.
And what about your dad? Is he emotional or quiet?
He's quiet, but very caring. He never says much, but when it rains, he always comes to pick me up, even if I don't ask. That small thing means a lot to me.
That's beautiful. You know, my dad and I don't talk much, but sometimes we just sit and watch football together. We don't say anything, but it feels warm, like silent love.
Yes, love doesn't always need words. Sometimes just being there is enough.
Now, let's talk about romantic love. Do you believe in love at first sight, Sarah?
Maybe. But I think love at first sight is like when you see someone and your heart says, oops.
Oops, that's funny. So, has your heart ever said oops?
Maybe once or twice, but it didn't last long. Real love, I think, takes time, like slow-cooked soup.
Slow-cooked soup? That's a good metaphor. So, you want warm, long-lasting love, not fast food love.
Exactly. I don't want fast love. I want forever love.
That's beautiful. For me, love is like a team. You work together, help each other, and sometimes you fight over small things, like who eats the last cookie.
Oh, that's true. Love is also about sharing food. Or not sharing.
Yes. But seriously, I think real love is when you can be yourself. No mask, no pretending.
I agree. When you feel safe, calm, and understood, that's real love.
You know, Sarah, I think family love and romantic love are connected. If you grow up in a loving family, it's easier to give love to others.
Yes, because you already know how it feels to be cared for. When you receive love, you learn how to give it back.
That's so true. My mom once told me, don't look for someone perfect. Look for someone who makes you feel like home.
Aw, That's one of the sweetest things I've ever heard.
Yeah, I didn't understand it at first, but now I do. Love isn't about big gifts, it's about small moments, small smiles.
Exactly. Like when someone remembers your favorite drink or checks if you got home safe.
Yes, that's love in everyday life. Simple, but real.
So, Mark, what's your biggest lesson about love and family today?
Maybe that love is everywhere. In families, in friendships, even in small acts of kindness. You just need to notice it.
That's true. And I think the best kind of love starts with loving yourself first. When you love who you are, you can love others better.
Wow, deep words from Sarah the philosopher.
Maybe I should start a new podcast, Love Lessons with Sarah.
I'd definitely listen.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening to this warm conversation. We hope you enjoyed it and felt a little more love today.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to follow our channel, like, and share it with your friends.
And keep practicing your English with us. One word, one smile, one story at a time.
See you next time on English Podcast Shadowing Practice.